An important update coming in from India. Early this morning, India launched a major military operation named Operation Sindoor. This was a powerful response to the recent terror attack in Pahalgam that killed several innocent people. The Indian armed forces carried out precise strikes on terror camps inside Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. This bold action shows that India will not stay silent when its people are attacked. Operation Sindoor is a clear message to terrorists and their supporters: India will strike back. On May 6, 2025, the Indian Armed Forces launched a precision military operation named Operation Sindoor in response to the brutal terror attack in Pahalgam, Jammu, and Kashmir. That attack, which occurred on April 22nd, claimed the lives of 26 innocent civilians, 25 Indian tourists, and 1 Nepali citizen. The nation mourned, but it also prepared. In a bold and calculated move, India executed strikes deep inside Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, targeting terrorist infrastructure responsible for orchestrating the Pahalgam massacre. Operation Sindoor was carried out jointly by the Indian Army, Air Force, and Navy. It targeted 9 high-value terror camps located in Muridke, Bahawalpur, and other key regions known to shelter groups like Lashkar-e-Taiba and Jaish-e-Mohammed. The operation involved the use of advanced military technology, including precision-guided missiles and loitering munitions, drones capable of identifying and destroying targets with high accuracy. The Indian government emphasized that the strikes were focused and non-escalatory, carefully avoiding any Pakistani military installations. Pakistan condemned the strikes, labeling them an act of war and reporting civilian casualties. They also claimed to have shot down 2 Indian aircraft and immediately closed their airspace to Indian flights. However, India maintained its stance, highlighting the operation as a targeted counter-terror response meant to protect national security and uphold peace. Operation Sindoor sent a powerful message that India will not tolerate terror attacks on its soil and will respond with strength, precision, and responsibility. It marked a new phase in India's counter-terror doctrine and showcased the nation's commitment to defending its people at any cost. The world is watching, and India has made its position clear. Terrorism will be met with determination, discipline, and decisive action. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more such updates.